Quince for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Quince is a brand that offers a variety of products for your home, your kitchen, your wardrobe. They had tons of bedding to choose from. They have so many rugs that were very unique. One thing that I really loved about Quince is the quality of their products and their pricing is really good. Inexpensive things, but the quality is expensive. I got a few things in from them, and when I say that I was so impressed with the quality of their products, I really was. First up, I got this European linen top. It is more of like a fitted wear. It's more of like a fitted shirt. I got the gingham. This is the classic gingham. So rewarding knowing where your products are coming from, knowing that the products that you are buying are sustainable and they're coming from a company that really prioritizes quality over quantity. And so I got a few other things from them that I'm really excited to share. We were needing a new ceramic non-stick pan for our kitchen because we cook eggs every single day for breakfast. And so I picked up this ceramic non-stick cookware pan from Quince. It even came with some cookware instructions. It says that their ceramic cookware can be used on any type of stovetop in ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And it came with this little packet that just gives some instructions to keep the quality of the pan up to par so that you can use it for years to come. The next thing that I got, you guys know that I absolutely am obsessed with gingham, and I was actually wanting to buy a new set for my bed because with the seasons change, I always like a really good refresh. And so I got the gingham duvet cover from Quince, and this is the bag that it came in, but this is also what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys, just because this is a refresh video, I'm going to show you guys me putting it on the bed and kind of give you a look of what the texture is like. This is also European linen. I also got a new rug for our living room. We have had our other rug for probably ever since we got Remy, and there has been so many potty training accidents on that rug. It really needed some love, and so we needed a new rug, so I picked up a new rug from Quince, and it was so easy to unpackage and roll out. Overall, Quince is a high quality brand with high quality standards, but their products are still affordable and you get great quality for less, which I really enjoy. All the links of all the products that I showed in today's video in the description. Thank you so much for Quince for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now let's get into refreshing our bedroom. Cleaning and refreshing things always makes me like crave some type of coffee or iced drink while I'm doing it, because cleaning is literally like such a task. I could not imagine living in like a big home because even though it only takes like 45 minutes to an hour to clean my house, I am literally sweating after I refresh and reset everything, which today I did do a little bit more of like dusting and like doing the nooks and crannies that I don't always do when I do like a weekly reset. So it took a little bit longer this time and I'm almost finished, but I'm really happy with how the bedroom is looking. I feel like this is the best that it has looked since we've moved in. I just love how everything is simple and clean, but it still represents like my style of cottagecore and thrifted stuff. And what's so fun about that little bedroom reset that I showed you guys is the only thing that I was like got new was that duvet cover, and I kind of just tried to reimagine things that I had already had and use things that I already had and try to come up with something new. And it literally feels like you went to the store and bought new decor just because you switch things around, you tried different things out. And that's kind of what you have to do. Sometimes I will redecorate a space and leave it there for like the rest of the day and see, do I like this or do I not like this? And that's what I did for my bedroom and like redecorating the side tables, and I love how it turned out. But without further ado, let's make a nice latte together because I am craving one after that hard cleaning session. So one thing about this little refresh is I wasn't really sure if I was going to like the green on the green wall because I didn't know how it was going to work out, like if this shade of green was going to look like exactly what it looked like online up against our wall. And what's so cool is this gingham duvet cover honestly looks exactly like the color of our wall, and so I was a little nervous like what it was going to look like, but I love that I did the same color of the duvet cover against the wall that we had already painted because I don't know, I just think it looks so good. And I established a color palette in this room, and I think that's what makes a difference, honestly, with being able to pull decor together, because you have like a mood board per se, and so you know when you go shopping like what to look for and what to say no to. So I'm really glad I did that. And so for in here I just did like some greens, we have browns, very earthy. This vine is actually from outside but I brought it in because it's just been really hot out lately, and I bought this scalloped planter from Walmart, and then a few videos back, it's been a while now, I got this basket from the thrift store, and I'm just elevating the look of the planter and making it more cottagey by placing this in the basket. And then something about a bedroom just gives like refreshing and peaceful, and so I put the diffuser in here, and I have my apple spice sand and fog little diffuser oil. And so this is my side. And then obviously we have the mirror here, which opens up the space a little bit. But I love that I took everything off of the little, whatchamacallits, side tables, because it just gives a very clean look. I literally love how you can so simply reimagine a space, and it just takes a little bit of creativity and intention. I feel like I can fall into the trap a lot of, oh, I need to go buy something new to refresh my space, and it's actually, you just need to clean it a little bit and add a few new things and just switch things around. I feel like I did this a lot when I first started like figuring out what my style is, and then now that I've established a little bit of what I actually like in my style, it's been easier to refresh a space and redecorate it. So I'm really happy with how the bedroom turned out. I feel like I'm finally getting to a point in my home where I really love the spaces and like how I'm decorating and creating them. And I don't know if you guys can relate to that at all, but have you guys ever been through a season of life where you felt like you were trying everything and it just was not working? Or are you in a season of life where you're like me and you're thrifting a lot of your decor and you've kind of established your style? It took a lot of scrolling on Pinterest and refreshing. Like, it took a lot of scrolling on Pinterest, seeing things I liked, and almost using that as a mood board as my style, and then going to the thrift store and buying the baskets even when I didn't think I need them, because like in this refresh vlog I used that for my plant that I put on the side table. So let me know if you guys feel the same way about just refreshing your space and decorating and all that jazz. But I am so thankful that you guys are here, and I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this vlog today.